Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to update the Instagram app on your Android device. Keeping your apps up to date is important to ensure they're working properly and have the latest features. Here's how to update the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app first. Locate and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture next. Tap on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap My Apps and Games. In the drop-down menu that appears, tap on My Apps and Games. Step 4. Find the Instagram app. You'll now see a list of all the apps installed on your device that have available updates. Look for the Instagram app, which will be labeled Update if an update is available. Step 5. Tap Update. Finally, tap on the Update button next to the Instagram app to download and install the latest version. And that's it. You've successfully updated the Instagram app on your Android device. Keep in mind that updating your apps regularly can help keep your device running smoothly and protect it from security vulnerabilities. If you're having trouble finding the Instagram app in the list of updates, you can also try searching for it directly in the Google Play Store and updating it from there. It's important to note that some users may have automatic updates enabled, which means that the Instagram app will update automatically in the background without the need for manual intervention. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Thanks for watching.